Hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today we will review the best Android apps on Google Play Store in 2019-2020. So let's start the video. The first and the most amazing app that we will talk about is Canva. Canva is a free graphic design, video, collage and logo maker app with more than 50 million downloads and 4.7 overall rating. Canva app has become the #1 Android app on Play Store. Create stunning cards, holiday wallpapers, and New Year greetings with your photos and videos, even if you're not an expert in design. Complete editor, Instagram story maker, photo maker, video collage maker, logo maker and poster maker, book designer and mood board creator, Canva is the ultimate editing software. Create a logo and banner for social networks, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube thumbnails and Twitter, design your Instagram highlight cover, Instagram story and articles post images. You can also make invitations for birthday and wedding invitations. Now let's move to another famous app that is Glitch Video Effects. Google announced Glitch Video Effects, the Play User's Choice app of 2019, as part of Google Play's Best of 2019 awards. With more than 10 million downloads and almost 4.6 out of 5 stars app rating, TikTok creators and others who make videos on their Android phone can take advantage of the video editing app, which allows you to take pictures and videos and add more than 100 real-time filters and effects, including retro VHS, shadow, X-ray and neon. You can import and add music to your videos from your mobile. You can also import videos from your personal gallery, add filters, adjust aspect ratios, and export high-resolution videos for social media sharing such as TikTok, Instagram, IGTV, YouTube, and Snapchat. Now this is a time for the gaming category, so let's talk about the most famous game on Play Store. And the game is Call of Duty. The official app Call of Duty designed exclusively for mobile phones. App has more than 50 million downloads and is considered the best gaming app in 2019-2020 on Google Play Store, free to play on mobile. Console performance HD gaming with customizable buttons, voice and text chat on your phone, and thrilling 3D graphics and music. Discover the thrill of the most popular shooter game in the world, now for quick on-the-go gaming on your phone. If you are a game love, then this app is best for you. Let's jump over the Open Camera app. Open Camera is the best free Android camera app with more than 10 million downloads with the auto stabilization feature for your images. App is featured with auto stabilize your pictures. Handy remote controls. Option to click a picture remotely by making a noise. Volume keys and user interface can be configured. This is the must app in your Android phone. Now we will talk about the Vlogit app. Vlogit is a free video editor made for vloggers with more than 1 million downloads. A powerful YouTubers and vloggers video editing software that is completely free without a trial watermark. It's easy to create a video with music and effects with Vlogit. You can post your creation directly from the app on YouTube or other social media sites. With your clip in Vlogit, you can even build a custom YouTube thumbnail to upload. With the application, you can shoot new videos or import existing videos and photos. You can quickly cut videos and see your video instantly. Import videos and pictures from your social media accounts, including Facebook, Instagram and Google. If you are a YouTuber, then this is the must app in your phone. Now moving to the news category, here has a Flipboard app. Flipboard is a news app for any topic. App has 500 million downloads. Flipboard is the award-winning app used by millions of people every day, putting together news, famous stories and discussions about any interest, perhaps passion. Learning, gathering and sharing stories with everything in one place has never been easier. Alright guys, so if you are interested in online learning, then Udemy is the best app for online courses. Udemy is an online learning app with more than 5 million downloads that provides more than 130,000 video lessons taught by professional instructors. Learn anything, learn courses covering more than 2,000 subjects from coding and data science to advertising, Photoshop, yoga, etc. New courses are continually being updated on cutting-edge subjects such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and blockchain. Udemy has both free and paid courses within your budget. Once you've enrolled in a course, you'll have lifetime access to the content. Inside your budget, Udemy has both free and paid courses. Once you are enrolled in a class, you will have access online, offline to the content for a lifetime. Now jump over ESPN Sports app. ESPN is a sports app with 50 million downloads. You can stream live games, check the latest scores or watch the best highlights with the best brand in sports. ESPN, pick your favorite teams and leagues to get started. If you love cooking, then I have a good app for you, that is Cookpad. Cookpad connects you with a vibrant array of recipes. Add favorite recipes easily, manage shopping lists, and find new recipes you're going to love based on those you already like. You'll have one less excuse to eat out once you start using it. Okay, so let's talk about the photo editing app Adobe Photoshop Express. Adobe Photoshop Express is a groundbreaking software for photo editing. It has all the basic tools for editing. In addition, all the posted images can be shared directly on your social media accounts. App provides you simple to customize, stylize and share images, filters and effects correction. If you are curious about your finances, then Mint is a good option for you. If you are struggling to manage your finances, now there's an application to help you handle your finances. Mint is an app for money management and one of the best financial management applications for Android. This puts together your bank accounts, credit cards, savings and bills so you're well prepared on the go. App also provides you automated budget amount suggestions on the basis of spending history. You can set up short and long-term saving goals. App reminders helps to pay bills, customize reports of income, spending, net worth, assets and debts. This is the best free Android app you should keep in your mobile phone. Now this is a time to review health and fitness app. 7-Minute Workout. Everyone is becoming extremely health conscious today. The 7-Minute Workout app has exercises that can be done in 7 minutes and are recommended by professionals. Let's talk about the famous Pinterest app. Pinterest is a social app with a concept of creative ideas. You can also consider it as an entertainment app. Pinterest already crossed 100 million download milestones. Whether you're planning your next big travel trip, searching for trends in home design, looking for tips on fashion and fitness, or trying out new recipes, find inspiration for lifestyle on Pinterest. Starting here are good ideas. Now move to the final app of this video, that is YouTube Studio. The official YouTube Studio app for YouTubers, which makes handling your YouTube channels on the go faster and easier. Check your latest stats, respond to comments, upload custom video thumbnail photos, schedule videos, and get updates from anywhere so you can stay connected. I hope you like these best Android apps in 2019-2020. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and share it with your friends and family, and also share your comments. Goodbye.